I like the backcourt tandem of Quezon, which they have Judel Fuentes and Cyrus Tabi.
Dagdag mo pa dyan, man in the middle, Seth Manzano,
Yes,
Emon Sandagon, Vince Magbuhos, Will Gozum. That's a lot of pieces from those championship caliber squads. But
Yeah, actually, tama ka doon, Ken. Sabi mo nga, hindi napapansin, but they are 7-0 here in this season. So, dahan-dahan, hindi sila napapansin, pero
yung mga veterans like Will Macaloni, Chris Lalata, Cyrus Tabi, who came from Pasay, as Lars Sunga will score. First basket yan para sa Sarangani. And then you have the collegiate guys like Seth Manzano. And, you know, what do you make of this roster moving forward? They have looming matchups later this month against, hindi nagkaamali, Abra.
boost his team with a lot of young players.
LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. This guy is shooting the lights out from beyond the arc. 62.5%. Sa palagay ko, yung katabi ko, naa-relate sa mga ganyang usapan. Ano sa palagay mo, Coach Vic?
Alam mo naman kami mga coaches, sa court lang kami matatapang.
Overlook aspect when it comes to a life of a coach. Kasi isipin mo, padre pe pamilya ka, as you see this basket go down for Mike Cañete.
Yeah, that's what we call support. Talagang nakakatawa the wife of Coach Eric and the kids are really here to support Coach Eric.
Oo.
So the kids of Coach Eric.
Kompleto nga eh. Starting 5 eh. Cut by Brian Lacap who just checked in. Did not take the shot. They swing it. Mike Cañete with a better look and he knocks down the 3 from the left corner. Manzano can't finish. Got it back. Block from behind. Another block from one of the block leaders. One and done for Sarangani. Hierro. Bounce pass inside. Easy pickings underneath for Seth Manzano. It's brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
Soaring Falcons, kaya magkabisado na nila isa't isa.
Sports Plus is the official sports book of the MPBL. Scan the QR code to play or visit www.sportsplus.ph. They skip it though. Diego Dario, he misses, but there to clean it up is their leading rebounder this season, Chris Lalata. Was their leading scorer that season. You can see John Abate. Meanwhile, Ivan Ludovice soars and scores.
Kanina nabanggit natin, no? You were talking about it. Nagpalit nga, 9 new players from the Quezon Huskies National University and College. So, sobrang ganda ng attitude, sobrang sipag ng batang yan. And he's really, I think he's going to be a very good coach.
Ludovice lobs it up. Destacamento throws it away. Pagaran was fouled. Napunta kay Tan. 6 na segundo na lang sa ilang shot clock. Tan makes his move. Pull-up jumper. That was tough.
Looking for his shot. Talagang hinahanap niya yung tira niya na yun eh. But it was a good shot. Converting into 2 points.
Pagaran. Inasahan si Cholo Manansala. Lalata. Jumper. Off the mark. At dyan magtatapos ang ating first quarter.